like we take the values from the user in an array. Okay, so now we need to print all these values that we have taken. So how we will do that? Now you're only printing the fifth value. We need to print all values. It's printing that address. If you do like that, it is printing. Okay, this is something interesting. Okay, like it is the place where you are like doing that. We are storing the values. Okay, now this is wrong.
I don't want to do it, but it's going to take a lot of just copy pasting. Wait, copy. Wait, no, I'll do it properly. Copy that. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Remove that comma statement.
Wait, I want to stop them. Yep. Yep, done.
Okay, that's great. This is great. Your answer is right, but your approach is, you can say, limited.
Yeah, because if you change this to 100, then I have to write this 100 times.
Yes. So it will print only the first 10 numbers of that, not all of them.
Yeah.
So you can use a loop there, make another loop, or...
Yeah, I was going to ask if I can use the loop.
Yes, use a loop there.
Like a for loop.
Yes. After that, use a for. Same loop as you did before.
Wait, I'm making it for. Beautiful. What does that do? Oh, just move cylinder. For j in.
This is not Python. For j equals.
For j equals.
It will be the same.
Wait, I'm gonna keep it to 10 because I'm not gonna write 100. I'm not gonna write 100 because that'll take a long time.
Okay.
Even one mistake would make me restart. 1 comma. Well, j is equals to I, right?
Why I?
Because
it will be just start simple loop 1 to 10.
I is the exact same as this. I is this.
No. I will, after that I will become 10 because the last value is 10. So you need to start.
Oh yeah, okay. 1 comma 10. 2. Print j. And I feel like I can make this even in one.
No. You just have to print array square bracket j. That's all. Just printing 1, 2, 3. It's print square bracket j, okay?
Print like this.
Array square bracket j.
Alright, okay. Now it should work. 17, 18, 19, 20. Good.
Okay, so it's working?
Yeah.